I'm going to show you a beautiful eye look. So I'm going to take my fluffy brush into this Bliss here, tap off any excess, and go right into my crease, just patting that color on there. And then I'll go into some circular motions, just making sure it is all in my crease. Same thing on the other eye, tapping it into the crease and then blending it in, making sure it is fully covered. After every step, I make sure it looks even on both sides, and I'll add wherever I need to. From here, I'll take my brush into the taffy, place that right on the outer corner. I will take a smaller angled brush into that taffy, and I'm going to place that on the inner corner crease. These colors are so pigmented and so beautiful. From here, I'm taking a smaller fluffy brush and going into the halo, and I'm going to place this right above that color on each side. I'm going to go back to my fluffy brush and just do some circular motions and do some windshield wiper motions, making sure that is blended together. I like to place my shimmers with my pinky. Y'all, this eyeshadow palette is so beautiful, and it is the Pink Fantasy from Rebel Raven.